Hey everyone, in this quick video I wanted to show you how you could make your Instagram account completely private, and I'll show you a couple of different accounts because depending on your account is in a couple of different places. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. So let's start here. Let's launch Instagram and make sure you go to your profile. So you want to see this page, and on here you want to click the gear icon next to edit profile. So click that gear icon, and if you scroll down here, if your account is laid out like this is how you turn it to private. So just click private and it will make it private. You could always revert back and make it not private by just clicking the slider. So that'll give you a little warning that you are changing your privacy setting. Now, if your account is not laid out like this, it's in a different place. Let me show you that. Let me just switch my accounts here. I'll go to a different account, and here I'll click the gear icon one more time. And if I scroll down here, I don't have that same option. My account is broken up in a different category: privacy and security, and then account privacy. I need to click that, and then I'll see the private account option. I'll go ahead and click that, and now this account is private. So this option is in a couple of different places depending on your account. But that's how you turn your Instagram account private, and you could always change it back to public if you want to at a later time. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. There are over 40 Instagram videos and over 200 tech tutorials on this channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.